We are looking at how to pronounce this Latin phrase, which is a legal term designating someone who is not a party to a case, who assists a court by offering information, expertise or insight that has a bearing on the issues in the case. How do you go about pronouncing it? Amicus, Curiae, Amicus, Curiae. You might sometimes hear it said as Amicus Curiae. Otherwise, Amicus Curiae. Did you get it? Let me know in the comments. Amicus Curiae. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more legal terms whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.